Hey everyone, this is Dan from True North Motos. Today we're going to talk about the terrible design on a KTM kickstand, 22 in prior XCs and 23 in prior XCW and EXCs. So, common fail point is that bolt backing out, spring flying off, losing this little spacer here, the step spacer. So this is and this is how we fix it. So you need your spacer and your perch so this floats freely. We're gonna drill all the way through and tap, which is a 5 mil by 0.8 tap, and then use a 5 mil by 25 millimeter long bolt and go all the way through. And to ensure it doesn't back out, we use green Loctite, but we also peen the end of the bolt. Haven't had any of these fail after we do this. So, want to make your crappy kickstand better? That's our suggestion on how to fix it. Thanks for checking it out.